Hi, today's video is about the two products from iKape, the one-press Spring-Back WDT Tool and the non-foldable height-adjustable portable coffee maker stand. Compared to other Rotary WDT tools, this WDT tool features 14 ultra-fine 0.25 mm needles and in my observation spins much faster. This portable coffee maker stand has a higher height adjustment and a broader base, which is ideal for those who need more bottom space to accommodate a taller cup and a bigger coffee scale. I will explain more in detail later. Let us start with the unboxing now for both products. Instruction manual. Rotary WDT Tool. Made of high-grade aluminum alloy and 304 stainless steel with a high anodizing process for a premium matte finish. Featuring a unique cloverleaf, planetary gear layout, this tool has 14 medical-grade stainless steel needles that rotate in a circular pattern. In my opinion, spin much faster and smoother. As compared to other competitors. This ensures 100% coverage across the entire puck, effectively eliminating clumping and dead spots and distribute coffee grounds evenly with a smooth stirring motion. The 14 needles are ultra-fine, 0.25 mm in diameter. According to industry research, the optimal WDT needle diameter lies between 0.25 mm and 0.35 mm. The bottom of the tool comes with 10 magnets that ensure a good docking on your filter basket. Next, we'll adjust the depth or height of the needles. Loosen this nut by turning anti-clockwise. Rotate the center shaft anti-clockwise to raise the needles and clockwise to lower them. Tighten the nut when done. Here is how the stirring and distribution process looks on the coffee puck. Next to unbox is a non-foldable, height-adjustable portable coffee maker stand. The user manual. The unassembled stand. A bag of screws and an Allen key. Assembly is straightforward. Just remember that the knob on the extendable bracket should face the back. Made of solid aluminium alloy and weighs about 501 gram. This stand is compatible with most portable coffee makers and also drippers. The lowest height from the silicone pack to the bottom of the support plate is about 11.9 cm. The highest height from the silicone pack to the bottom of the support plate is about 18.2 cm. A non-slip silicone pad is a good addition to keep your coffee scale or cup sitting firmly in place. Since the base is broader, it can accommodate a larger scale like the iKape V2 Pro Smart Bluetooth coffee scale. So in total, there are 3 stands for you to choose from, based on your usage needs. Now comes the end of our video. A good size portable coffee maker stand that can accommodate a larger scale and a taller cup. Not forgetting a one-press Spring-Back WDT tool that is fitted with 14 ultra-fine medical grade 0.25 mm needles that spin much faster and eradicate clumping of coffee grounds effectively. That is all for this video. Hopefully you find our video informative and useful. We hope to see you in our next video. Thanks for watching. Have a great day and happy brewing.